is to take these beat up headlights on my 2007 HHR, the wife's car, and try to make them more presentable and closer to being like those headlights that they came with. Now, and my other goal is to do this on in a way that's not going to cost a lot and be too complex. So I did one already, and here's the comparison. And the whole procedure was done on with one product, mag aluminum polish, and that's it, with a random orbital polisher, and that's it. No other products, no anything else, just simple and basic. Okay, now I'm going to grab the random orbital polisher and a little bit of Mother's polish. Now that's in real time. Let me wipe that off. That's in real time. We're talking probably less than a dollar's worth of material for both, and 15 minutes of my time. So that's the way to do it, I think. Simple, cheap, fast, no complexity.